Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode, I want to talk to you about two very popular bonnets, the Microfiber Scrub and the Microfiber Glide. Stick around to find out how these bonnets can help you in your business. So I want to talk to you about the Microfiber Glide and the Microfiber Scrub bonnets. Now these are really popular bonnets. Bonnet cleaning itself has been around for decades. When I came into the industry back in the early 1980s, bonnet cleaning was nothing new, although bonnets then were a lot different than what we see here today. Back in the day, bonnets were made of cotton blends, typically with polyester, rayon, nylon occasionally, but polyester and rayon were very popular. And frankly, they didn't clean that great. They did okay, but we've come so far now that we have microfiber added to the mix. So why is microfiber so special? Before we jump into that, let's first of all talk about how putting together microfiber bonnet cleaning along with encapsulation like we have with Release It joins two very effective cleaning methods to give you a plus for low moisture cleaning. Encapsulation, as you know, we hold soil in suspension in the cleaning solution, dries brittle, breaks away from the fiber, comes out during post-vacuuming. However, when we add bonnet cleaning to encapsulation, we're actually merging two modes of cleaning. The encapsulation method along with absorption into the bonnet. We're actually pulling soil directly into the bonnet as we're cleaning. So we're amping up the cleaning by bringing bonnets into the mix. And then when we add microfiber bonnets, it makes it all that much more special. Why do we say that? Well, microfiber is very much like an asterisk, like between the channels, like you see here illustrated with my hand. Between the channels of the fiber, it will actually hold more soil than a cylindrical fiber, traditional fiber like what we have with cotton or a synthetic fiber. So they do a great job of capturing soil in those channels, and the bonnets rinse out very easily. So with just a few bonnets, we can cover a huge amount of area of cleaning because we just could simply rinse the bonnets out even while we're on the job by going to a mop sink or perhaps taking it outside to a hose bib and just giving a good rinse. These things rinse out really, really well. It's amazing how well microfiber rinses. You'll normally get a few hundred square feet per side, so one bonnet, flip it over, you're going to get about 1,000 square feet of cleaning. Now, of course, if the carpet is really heavily soiled, it's going to be a little less than that. But that's not bad when you're thinking about how many bonnets you need for a job. Just a few bonnets, you can really wipe out a huge area, particularly when you factor in that they rinse so easily. In addition, I want to talk to you about the makeup of these bonnets. Now, the scrub bonnet is great for all commercial loop carpet, and most commercial cut pile carpet will do fine. These scrub strips are not super aggressive, but they're more aggressive than, say, the Glide bonnet, for example. So you're getting more agitation with the scrub bonnets. The scrub bonnet is by far the most popular bonnet that we sell, and for good reason. We mostly sell to commercial carpet cleaners, and this is fantastic for commercial carpet cleaning. So you're getting the absorption into the bonnet, you're getting the agitation of the scrub strips. Now, for softer carpet, if we're dealing with a cut pile carpet, not so much a residential carpet. If you're going to use it on a residential carpet, be careful. You can do it. But if you're dealing with a real soft Saxony carpet, you could distort the pile. In fact, for all bonnet cleaning, we want to give you this word of caution. Make sure that your bonnets are wet before you start. Dunk them in water, wring them out so that we've got a good and damp bonnet, and then spray the carpet. Make sure the carpet pile is lubricated with your cleaning solution, and then don't stand in one place. Keep the machine moving. And keep an eye on the carpet, because if we're getting any distortion, you got to be careful. You can easily overcook it when you're working with bonnet cleaning. So be aware of the carpet fiber, pay close attention, make sure that you're not distorting the pile. But if it's done properly in a professional way, you can really do great results. And that's why the Glide bonnet is great, because it's a little bit more gentle. If you have a softer carpet, cut pile carpet, if there's the propensity for distortion of the pile, you're going to find that this is going to work out really well for you. But again, the Microfiber Scrub is our go-to bonnet for just about everything that we're going to clean with. Works really, really well. And so I highly recommend the Microfiber Scrub bonnet if you're doing like orbital cleaning or if you're using a rotary machine. But again, be careful. You don't want to distort the fiber. So it's a great way to add another element of low moisture cleaning. You don't use a lot of moisture with bonnet cleaning. So if you've got a carpet that's going to wick or you got recurring spills, this is going to do great. Or if you need to put the carpet back into usage very quickly, it's going to dry fast. So great way to keep everything under control with your moisture and get really great results in the process. Now what I'm showing you here are our 19-inch bonnets. Now we have these in all sizes from 8-inch, 13-inch, 15-inch, 17-inch, 19-inch. 19-inch is great because this is very useful on a 17-inch machine, gives you that extra inch of overlap all the way around. So really great bonnet to use. This is our most popular size, the 19-inch bonnet. So if you haven't tried them yet, you really need to give them a shot. One other bonnet that I want to show you is our 8-inch bonnet for the Cymex machine. Our 8-inch bonnets, both Microfiber Scrub and Microfiber Glide, work on the Cymex, the 19-inch Cymex machine. But in addition to using them on the Cymex machine, we also have this really cool drill driver that you see here. Now the drill driver, if we take the drill driver and we mate it up with the microfiber bonnet, now we've got something that we can use with a drill on steps, stairs, hard to reach areas. Works really well. Now I would recommend using a drill that has a side handle attachment, because this can get just a little bit wonky. It kind of goes around a little bit as you're scrubbing. But if you've got a side handle attachment to your drill, man, this is really, really a great tool for getting into tight areas. If you've got to do some steps, the bull nose of the steps, the fronts of the steps, or other tight areas that you can't get your machine into, a drill driver with the 8-inch bonnet does a great job. So if you haven't had a chance to try our microfiber bonnets, I don't know why you haven't yet, because they're so good. But I recommend them. I'll put them in the description below. Also, if you would, share your comments or questions below too. These are great items for your cleaning process. It's just one more way we want to help you max your end cap here at Excellent Supply. We want you to be successful. So thanks for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up. Like I say, share your comments and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching NCAP TV.